So how do you send money through Facebook Messenger? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can send money through Facebook Messenger. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, whether you really believe it or not, it is actually possible to send money through Facebook Messenger. But the downside of this feature is that it is only available in some specific areas and it is geo-restricted, meaning that it is not available in some of the Asian and European countries. It is only available in American countries. Now, in order to do this, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and make sure to launch the Messenger application, and then make sure to simply enter the name of the friend that you want to send the money to. Once you've basically opened up a chat with that specific person, if you are in a region where it is eligible to send money through Facebook Messenger, you'll most likely find from the bottom of the screen an option called Pay. But if you're not, then you'll only see the location icon over here. Or most likely, if you have Messenger Pay enabled, you will be able to send money through Facebook Messenger. Then after you've done that, you can go ahead and then enter the amount that you want to send, tap on the Pay option, confirm the dollar amount, and if you have also created a Meta PIN, which means your Facebook Pay PIN or Messenger Pay PIN, you should be able to confirm your payment as well. But keep in mind that this is a geo-restricted feature. It might not be available in all regions. That is it for today's video on how you can send money through Facebook Messenger. It is as simple as sending it through any other platforms. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.